To show brightness control in the full quick settings panel only on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, when you set panel settings together, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick settings panel. Tap pencil icon or edit icon at the top right. Tap panel settings button. Tap brightness control. And then select show when quick panel expanded. Tap the back key. And then tap done button to save the change. To see the result, close the quick panel. Now swipe down the top of the screen. And then swipe down one more time to open up the full quick settings panel. As you can see, now the brightness control is displayed only in the full quick settings panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.